Step into the role of a CEO with ForgeFlow's business games, where your decisions shape the future of your company. You'll take charge of crucial areas like product pricing and marketing investments, key factors that directly influence demand for your products. To help you craft winning strategies, the game provides demand forecasts, predicting future sales based on your decisions. By analyzing past data, the forecasting system understands how price changes and promotional investments have shaped demand in the past, and it uses this insight to predict the future demand. These demand forecasts are also integrated into our DDMRP system, which will size the inventory you'll need to meet projected demand. The system breaks down your bill of materials, determining the number of components required to fulfill customer needs. This ensures your inventory is optimized, minimizing stock while preventing stockouts. Experience the powerful capabilities of ForgeFlow Demand Driven with our business games. Sign up for free today and start exploring.